Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access our cloudLibrary ebook collection through our ValleyCat online catalog. To begin, you want to make sure that you have your Kings County Library card available as well as your 4-digit PIN number, since you'll need that to check to see if the ebook has been successfully checked out to your account. To begin, you want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. From here, we're going to navigate across the screen until we see the word catalog and then click on it. Now that we're at the ValleyCat homepage, we're going to type in the title of the book that we're looking for. So for this tutorial, I'm going to type in the title, A Walk Around the Block. And once I've typed in the title of the book that I'm looking for, I'm going to click the orange search button. So as we can see, a total of 5 different titles came up. So being that I want to look for an ebook that's available through cloudLibrary, I'm going to go over to the left here where it says Format, and I'm going to click where it says Ebook. Once I've checked that box, then I'm going to press the blue Include button. So as we can see here, we now have one result, which has a walk around the block, and then the electronic format, we see that it says cloudLibrary EPUB, which is what I want to read. So next I'm going to click where it says Download, and I'm going to type in my library card number. And if you don't know what your PIN number is, you can call the library staff and we'll be glad to assist you with getting your PIN number to you. So type in my card number and then my 4-digit PIN number. And then once I type in those 2 pieces of information, I'm going to click the Login button like so. And then it says here, Checkout successful. Your item is now available in the cloudLibrary application. To download the cloudLibrary application, click here. So if you don't have cloudLibrary installed on your computer, you can click here. And then as you can see, it'll open up in a separate tab. Be aware that in using cloudLibrary, you may have to log into your account a second time. So this is actually getting us set up. So from here, we're going to click our country, United States, select state, California, and then find your local library. So I'm going to scroll down until I see SJVLS Kings County and select that. And then as you can see, it's going to automatically take me to the Kings County Library cloudLibrary collection. And here's the home page for that. Then from here, I'm going to click where it says Login, and I'll type in my library card number again. And then I will press the green Login button. And something to be aware of is that you can also download the cloudLibrary app to your smartphone or tablet for free by clicking the Download App button right over there. So typed in my library card number. Then it gives you the options to read the terms of service, privacy policy, and end user agreement. I'm going to press Accept. And give it a few minutes. And then it takes me back to the home screen. So I can tell that I was able to log in successfully because as you can see now there's an option to log out and it has my card number when I scroll over. So if I want to find the ebook that I checked out, I can go here where it says My Books. And as you can see, it shows the ebook that I've checked out. So if I want to read it on a computer, I can click here where it says Read, and be aware that all titles will expire in 14 days. And when it expires, it'll automatically return back to the cloudLibrary collection. Okay, so we're going to wait for the ebook to load to my computer. And as we can see, here's the cover of the book, and then you will use your arrows on your computer to take you forward in the book as well as back in the book. And so if I want to explore more options, as you can see here, this is a bookmark tab in the top right, and then there's a question mark here if you have any questions. So let's say that I decided that I was done reading the ebook, or if I wasn't sure how many ebooks I've checked out, or if I've checked this out successfully. I can go to the first tab here where my account information is still being shown, exit out of this, and then I can go up to the top here where it says my account and click on that. And then go to the second tab here that says checkouts. And as you can see, I have two options. I have digital checkouts, which will show any ebooks or e-audiobooks checked out from the cloudLibrary collection or our Overdrive collection. And then the library checkouts tab is for our physical materials such as books, CDs, DVDs, magazines, things of that sort. So if I want to see how many digital checkouts I have, I can click where it says digital checkouts. And as you can see here, it shows one title, A Walk Around the Block. So if I wanted to return my ebook, let me go to the second tab here, exit out. If I want to return my ebook, I can check the box in front of the information and then check the blue button here where it says return item. Then it's going to ask to confirm that I do want to return the item, and I do. So then I will press the yes button here. And since it's a digital item, as soon as I confirm that I want to return the item back, as you can see, it is no longer checked out to my account. When I'm done using my online account, I'll click the log out button and then I'll press OK, and this will return me back to the ValleyCat homepage. This concludes the tutorial on how to access and read ebooks through the library's cloudLibrary online collection. Please make sure to follow the Kings County Library Facebook page and subscribe to the Kings County Library YouTube channel for more tutorials similar to this one. Thank you and have a good day.